At Plumbing Solutions, we've seen our share of old, outdated sewer and water pipe systems. When these types of systems start to decay, they result not only in system inefficiencies, but environmental hazards as well. Here are some of the most popular pipes used in previous applications. Number 1, lead pipes. Up until the 1980s, lead pipes were used in plumbing systems throughout the country. Lead is known to be toxic at nearly every level of concentration, and lead poisoning can do some serious damage, especially to your children. Number 2, galvanized steel pipes. These types of pipes were popular until the 1960s and are essentially steel pipes dipped in zinc to prevent rust and corrosion. Unfortunately, when the zinc coatings start to corrode, lead may start to build up. Not good. Number 3, cast iron pipes. Cast iron pipes were a popular choice because of their long lifespan and durability. However, most homes that have cast iron pipes installed are ready for new piping, in particular because cast iron is especially vulnerable to rust. Number 4, copper pipes. On its own, copper piping itself doesn't carry many risks. It's even used in modern plumbing systems. However, in previous years, lead was often used to solder these pipes, meaning older homes that could be facing corrosion would greatly benefit from piping inspection. If you're concerned about the state of your pipes, don't hesitate to reach out to Plumbing Solutions. We're not only here to provide pipe repairs, but full repiping services for your home and your business as well. Don't put your plumbing systems or your health at risk any longer. Call to schedule a free piping inspection today.